What's up all my fine girls? No pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today we are back with another Bring It Back Thursday. I know you guys have been missing it, okay, because some of y'all just like,
you skip Bring It Back Thursday. There's no Bring It Back Thursday. You miss it.
I'm glad you guys like, Bring It Back Thursday. So here I am. So sorry, the last 2 weeks it had to be skipped just because I was out of town one of those weeks. And another week, I don't think I had time to film because I was out of town. I don't know. Somehow they got skipped. But we are back this Thursday, okay? And today's palette is going to be the Color Raine Queen of Hearts. One of you guys left this as a recommendation. I was just like, that is a great one. Because y'all, okay, let me show you this palette. Let's show you, okay? This is the Queen of Hearts. And if you've been a part of the makeup community, then you know this palette. This actually was the first tutorial on my channel that I feel like actually did really well as far as numbers, was this palette. I did gain a lot of new subscribers from that video, so you know what, let's go back and bring this on back, so hey Siri, play Bring It Back by Travis Porter. Let's get to it.
Bring It Back by Travis Porter, now playing on Apple Music.
Okay, so that was fun. So I don't even know what type of look I want to do with this. Like, okay, let me open this up. Hold on. So in my original video, I for sure used this shade, and I'm torn. But like, should I use that shade again? Because I kind of want to. But if I do, I don't want it to be like, the main thing like it was. I really want to use this shade. This shade for sure. I think I might do like this into this, like a little bit of this. This being the outer V. Use like this shade, like more so this shade. This shade to put in my crease, and possibly even this orange to fade into this, and then those on the lid. And I might even do an inner corner highlight like with this shade. Oh, sorry, can y'all see that? Yes. Okay, so I think I kind of got something. Y'all, what time is it? Hey, oh, I gotta watch. I was about to say hey Siri, but I gotta watch. Cause look, Siri been ignoring me lately. Like, I'll be calling her and she didn't answer. I told this girl to make a call. Tell me if she actually responded to me. That girl ignored the hell out of me. I was like, okay, well, guess I'll just do it manually. I guess Siri done clocked out for lunch because she was ignoring me. So I'm currently filming a Reels, and I also want to film a clothing haul. That's why I was even talking about time. So I have to wait my nails. Like, I like my nails. It's cute. It's so cute. I love getting my nails done. Oh, and then you guys, by the way, I'm priming my eyes using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base in the shade medium. So you guys, I got my toes done. I just did a polish change because honestly, like now I love my feet to feel so soft that I like take care of my own feet at home. Not saying I won't get pedicures, but like today I was just like, just do the polish change. Because I got the pumice stone, I got the callus remover, I got the actual thingy that you scrape and the liquid. So I can like do my own feet at home. Really the only thing I don't know how to do is a cuticle removal. And so therefore I still need to get, pedicures. But anyways, I don't think I was due for a pedicure, but I was due for a polish change. But to my point, today I picked a different color. Since the summer of 2019, I have only put white on my toes. So for 3 years straight, the only color that I have put on my toes is the color white. This time I got like a baby pink. Look at my toes. Oh, they're so cute. It just looks so girly. I just love just being girly. I love being feminine, like feminine colors, pink, light nudes. Like I just love it. Okay, so the eyes have been primed. Okay, so taking this blending brush. So I'm gonna first start off with this shade right here. What is this called? It is called Royal Prerogative. And then from there, I'm gonna go into the shade right here. It's called Empress, that orange. So I'm gonna first do this, boom, into that color, right? Okay, so you guys, if you've noticed, I am trying to post more vlogs. I have posted 2 vlogs back to back, and I'm just finding that by me taking the month of June off, like I wasn't really posting on social media. Like I was like, uploading videos, but like it just wasn't nearly as many videos as like I normally like to post. Cause I just found that like I was like starting to just I was just losing creativity. I was like, what do I want to do? And so like I really had to like, sit down, think about the type of content I want to do. And I've always really wanted to get like, into vlogs. Like I got a whole vlogging camera and everything, and I was like, I need to start posting more vlogs. So I'm finding that now that I've posted those 2, I'm getting more comfortable with vlogging. Like the thing is, like it's awkward going out with a camera. People, for whatever reason, people just get like, when they see a camera in public, it's like, calm down, ain't nobody recording, okay, calm down, So now I'm starting to get more comfortable where it's just like yes, I'm talking to myself. Just getting better at the vlogs, like knowing better angles, better lighting. Like I'm finding that I'm having a whole lot of fun with it. And I just feel like just from me working on these vlogs, I feel like I am getting more comfortable and getting better. Okay, so now we're gonna go into that shade Empress. I'm gonna use the same brush that I was using, put that other shade down, or this shade down, and just go over this lightly. Oh, let's talk about new makeup. I know I usually do my monthly while I buy it, but there's been a lot of things that came out recently. So we're gonna talk about it in this video that I want to talk about. So Pat McGrath came out with a new palette, or she finally revealed her Mothership 10, the Moonlit Seduction. If you guys, you know, see my community posts, by the way, if you're subscribed, you should see the community post, but if you don't, I'm gonna talk about it here because I know not everybody sees or engages with it. A lot of you guys, I noticed that a lot of you guys send me stuff that I'm like, oh, I talked about it in, you know, in the community post, but I'm just assuming that you just didn't see it. So that Pat McGrath palette, when I say disappointment, I was like, are you kidding me? Like, Pat, Auntie Pat, really, is this what you're giving us? Like, are you kidding me? I cannot believe it. Then Juvia's Place released their palette. Y'all, of course I bought it. So they released their own version of a pastel palette, and now it's making me feel like I probably could do like a ranking my pastel palettes, but I still don't have that many to where it's just like I feel like I could do a whole ranking video, but I feel like I'm getting a good amount of them. So I have to look through my collection and see if I have enough to do a whole video on it. But I did buy that. You guys know I pretty much buy anything Juvia's Place puts out, so expect a review on that. Okay, so I think I like this. I'm gonna go next into that shade called Ladyship, which is like that plummy shade, this one right here. So Clarity Cosmetics released the pictures further. Ooh, I need to scrape this. Like, this right here is so hard. Like, you know like when the shadows like they get hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape off that first layer because that was rough. The Pat McGrath palette, I probably still will buy it. I'm just not gonna buy it full price. And I've actually never bought a Pat McGrath palette full price. You know, when I bought all the first 9 she had, I was working at Sephora. So I got my employee discount, and I'm sorry, I'm not paying full price. So I'll probably wait till like Black Friday when she has a sale and get it then. Which the collector in me is gonna bother me up until then because I'm like, I need all of them. But I'm sorry, just for that price point, and what I'm seeing, no. But will I be watching other people's videos? I sure will. I'll be watching. There's some people who are like faithful Pat McGrath, like, you know, like they love her. Like, for example, I think her name is Kelsey Brianna J. What's that other girl's name? I cannot think of her name. I cannot like, but there's some channels that like they heavily, like they always buy everything Pat McGrath. So definitely will be watching their videos, and I encourage you guys to as well. Like, pretty much don't expect a review from me, but if you want to see it, me and you together, we're gonna be watching other people's videos because I'm not buying that palette just yet. I have to watch other people and see what they think about it and like see the, you know, the swatches and everything. But I plan on buying it more than likely during Black Friday. And I know somebody did comment this on the community tab, like in a sense, we're kind of doing ourselves a disfavor by buying it because in her mind, she's seen the numbers like, y'all should buy this. So it's like, y'all like it. We don't like it. It's just that we're collectors, okay? So that's the issue. It's hard sometimes. It's like, we don't like it, but it's just like, I'm a collector, so like I still buy it even though I don't like it. And I guess it's almost like it's a bad thing because it looks to them like people like this stuff, so let's keep putting it out. And I think they know at this point that people are buying it just to collect and not because they actually like it. Because if you see them comments on Trend Mood, child, those are the real comments. On her page, it was nothing but nice comments. I'm just like, ain't no way. Y'all must be deleting the negative comments because ain't no way like everybody's just happy about this. No. Okay, so I like the way this looks, but as you guys can see, like my transition shade kind of got lost and now it just looks like it's just purple. So I'm gonna take a brush that has no product on it and I'm gonna go back into that Empress shade, that orange color. Oh no! Into that orange color. And I'm gonna go ahead and just like blend this up a little bit higher. Okay, so I don't know if I want to do like a partial cut crease, if that makes sense. Like I don't want to cut the whole thing, but like I just want to like clean up right here where that shadow kind of got a little too, you know, over. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I like this. Okay, see, this is perfect. Like I don't want to cut the whole thing, but I just wanted it to be like cleaned up a little bit. I want the purple to sit in that corner. Okay, this is perfect. Cause we are sisters, we stand together. We make up one big family, but we don't look the same. Our spots are different colors. Taking this brush, I'm gonna go into that shade called Royal Highness, which is like this like taupey sputer type of shimmer shade. And then I'm gonna go into this shade next. So let's see. I'm gonna put this in the inner corner. And I kind of want to bring this out as well too, just a little bit. Colored Raine also has some newness. They've released some new stuff. It was like a bead collection type of thing. I don't know, I feel like Colored Raine is just there, but like, I don't know. I feel like they're not getting the same recognition as like the Juvia's Place with the ColourPop. Like, I just feel like they're just kind of there. And you know what I think the issue is that it's something that I like about the company, but I feel like it's also holding them back, is how frequently they release product. Is that they take their time and they do come out with really good stuff. But I think, like, you know, when you're not always like releasing stuff, like it's easy to be like out of sight, out of mind type of thing, especially like when you're kind of like, you know, I wouldn't say they're up and coming, because they've definitely been around for a while, but like, I don't know. I don't even know where I was going with that point. But either way it goes, I feel like that is kind of like why I feel like they're not nearly as like on the same level as like the Juvia's Place, right? Because Juvia's Place just, they put out a product at a good rate, like, you know, in a good time frame. Like, they're not like on OD like ColourPop, but you definitely don't forget about Juvia's Place. Let me say that, essentially. Like, you know, they're still there. But yeah, they just released a new collection and it looks cute. Am I gonna buy it? No. Taking this brush, I'm gonna go into that shade called Noblewoman, which is like that ruby wine type shade that's a shimmer. Oh my goodness, you guys. Ooh, this color, it does it for me every time. That's how I felt when I first used it in that original video. And I feel the same way right now. This color is so pretty. Okay, that's really cute. And then taking that brush that I used to put down that Ladyship shade, which was like that plum matte shade, I'm gonna go ahead and just go over this area right here. And I feel like I'm wanting to go into some black. Yep. This needs some black. See, this is the beauty about doing a Bring It Back Thursday, is that like, although I want to primarily use this palette, it's not like it's like a review video where I just kind of like stick to all the shades in the palette. No, I'm gonna grab other stuff if I need to in order to create the look that I want. And right now I'm gonna have to need to grab black because there's no black in this palette, and I need a black. Like, this is cute, but I need a touch of black. So I need just like a thinner brush. And I'm gonna go into my Lethal palette, okay? This is the palette I created with Lethal Cosmetics. If you have not seen the video, check it out. And I'm just gonna grab the black from this. And my discount code is still good, you guys, up until, I wanna say like the 17th or the 18th of this month, because it's gonna be good for a month. So if you want anything from Lethal, you can use my code AskWhitney to save 20% off. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of black here. Not too much, because I don't wanna take away from that dark purple or that plum shade. Sorry, not dark purple. Okay, and then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to go back into that Ladyship shade yet again. And I'm just going to go over this because I still want the purple to be there. Definitely don't want it to be lost. This is the look. So, as per usual, I'm getting off camera and I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys everything completed. Bye. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look, and I absolutely love the way this came out. Yet again, I did use the Colored Raine, the Queen of Hearts palette. This is an OG. If you have been in the makeup community, the beauty community, you would know about this palette. She was that girl at one point, and we had to bring her back for, you know, Bring Her Back Thursday. And I love it. I think I mean, she's cute. So yes, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below any palettes you want to see for a future Bring It Back Thursday. You, like, on my last Bring It Back Thursday video, you guys were giving some really good, like, you know, ideas. I was like, oh yes. So definitely, I think the Queen of Hearts was like, I cannot remember who gave the recommendation, but girl, shout out to you, because I completely forgot about this, and this is a real like throwback. So she was definitely, you know, loved, and she has to be brought back out. And this is the look that I created using her, and I think she is just gorgeous, you know. So yes, that is the end of this video. I don't really have much else to say. I have to film another video after this, so I need to get to it. So until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.